Well, hello teachers. The end of this year is fast approaching, so let's quickly take a look at the latest MathFix. Today we are looking at the standard 8.sp.2, which actually has students using lines of fit for data and assessing their fit to appropriateness to that data. Our problem here has four graphs for students to look at and assess how well they are modeling the data in the contained scatterplots. The data for the graphs is identical, but the lines are trying to model the trends in slightly different ways. And this will add some value for the students to analyze and see which one's best. Well, it can be a great, easy problem to get students engaged in the work of analyzing models and lines of fit. It's not particularly difficult to see visually what's going on, and the data is accessible and not overly math heavy for students, so it's a real easy entry point for this problem. It will be very important to encourage students to back up their ideas with evidence for the graphs so as to rely on just pure opinions. Well, we can see that the lines drawn on the graph are each close to specific pieces of data and might possibly be the correct answer for the best line of fit. Major differences in the lines are starting points and the slopes or rates of change. The graph in the upper left is the one that begins at the origin and is the steepest. I personally would say this graph was most accurately modeling the data, but I think all of them are fairly close, and if your students really work hard, could probably prove that any one of the four could be a good model. The reason why I chose that first one is because not only does it keep the trends of the data being following through the origin, which is a real world situation, it also seems to capture some of the movement towards the end and allow for better predicting of future data. Well, we welcome feedback on how you and your class engage with this MathFix, so please share with us your thoughts, your student conversations, or classroom experiences. We love those likes and feedbacks about our work, so please keep them coming about this and anything else in the COP.